test of the all-hazard snow and weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these radios and the alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected blotches affecting the listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
This program for a test of the emergency alert system in the following Virginia localities: Newport News, Williamsburg, and the counties of Isle of Wight, James City, Surrey, and York. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test message for the Dominion Energy Surrey Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system around the Surrey Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the Surrey Nuclear Power Station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded. Each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system radio or television station. To repeat, the sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system at the Dominion Energy Surrey Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. Opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Rest of today. Southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots late. Waves 1 to 2